Your ad platform says you made 20 sales. GA4 says 12. Shopify says 15. So how many did you actually make? If you can't answer that, every budget decision you make this week is a guess dressed up as data. In this video, I'll show you how to tell whether your tracking can be trusted, and the 4 checks I run before I let a client spend another dollar on ads. First, understand why they disagree, because some of it is normal. Each tool counts a sale at a different moment and with a different definition. Browsers and privacy tools block a share of the events before they ever fire. And ad platforms are generous about claiming credit for sales they may not have caused. A small gap is expected. A large gap means something is broken, and that's what I hunt for. Check 1 is consent. Modern consent banners can stop your conversion events from firing at all, and most owners have no idea how much they're losing. So I confirm the events actually fire after a real shopper accepts, and I measure the share that never makes it through. If a third of your conversions are vanishing at the banner, no dashboard downstream can be trusted until that's fixed. Check 2 is pollution. Your own test orders, your team's visits, and bot traffic all sneak into the numbers and inflate them. I filter internal and test traffic out at the source, so the revenue you see is revenue from actual customers. This one is unglamorous, and it fixes more reporting confusion than almost anything else. Check 3 is where the data is captured. If you're tracking only in the browser, you're losing the most events, because that's exactly what privacy tools block. Moving key events to server-side tracking recovers a large share of them. For most stores, this is the single biggest jump in accuracy I can make, and it's the part most owners have never set up. Check 4 is choosing a source of truth. You will never get 4 tools to show the identical number, so stop trying. Pick the one platform you trust most for revenue, usually Shopify, and reconcile the others against it. From then on, you make decisions from that one number, and you treat the rest as directional. Clarity beats false precision. Here's the takeaway. Don't scale spend on top of numbers you can't trust, because you'll just scale the mistake. Run these 4 checks first. If you'd rather I rebuild it properly, I do that in a 14-day sprint that starts at $3,500. And at the end, your dashboard is a tool you can actually decide with. Subscribe for one e-commerce fix a week.